The need to end inequality and all forms of discrimination has once again been emphasized as a reliable strategy to end the disease in Nigeria. Chairman Planning Committee of the 2021 World AIDS Day, Greg Ashetor, says this at a press conference and candlelight memorial event in Abuja, highlighting various interventions to ensure more persons know their HIV status as well as increase the number of persons on treatment. Ashetor also assured of effort by the federal government to reduce the trend of mother-to-child transmission in Nigeria.
The law, which the previous speaker talked about, is for us to monitor it. It's for us to monitor it and see the compliance to this. I think probably what we'll be doing now is to come up with key indicators of stigma and discrimination. It's not in our plan. Look at NOP. It's an oversight. There's no key indicator. Even though it's a global indicator, we are not tracking as a country. It should be routinely tracked. Probably we'll come together to come up with a framework to routinely track stigma and discrimination, one of the major issues that we have militating against access to treatment and other HIV services.
If we must take our responsibility to the next level, we must address the challenges of HIV, AIDS-related discrimination, and strengthen the health care system and social safety nets from the roots to set up a robust health network for the vulnerable population.
End inequalities will definitely end AIDS, will definitely end other forms of pandemic, and of course will achieve our broad targets of ensuring that people continue to live their productive lives. The important thing we want to make is that inequalities is represented by the fact that we still have people who ought to be on treatments that are not yet on treatment.
The 2020 report reveals 1.5 million new HIV infections, 73% treatment coverage, and about 680,000 AIDS-related deaths globally. The situation is no different in Nigeria. As such, in solidarity, we say, enough of the promises. It is time for a transformation, and time for the leaders and the led to do things differently to end AIDS by 2030.
Parents in communities who children or wards or who are also living positive, it is difficult. Young people also find it difficult to know their HIV status. The issue of disclosure is very, very, very difficult among young people living with HIV, and it affects young people because when young people get to know about their HIV status, it's like it devastating and it frustrates young people because it now increases their mental health issues.
The high point of the ceremony was the candlelight memorial in honor of the people who lost their lives to HIV/AIDS and its complications. The theme of the World AIDS Day is End Inequality, End AIDS, End Pandemic. CNN News.